Where are you taking me? Sewing room. Is it far? What is Miss Joy doing? Hello. Good, how are you? Oh, you guys are in tailoring school?
Yeah.
You the one teaching them? Thank you. Daniela, who's your teacher? Miss Joy. What? You look so confident.
So now, Daniela, so now we are going to learn how to spread, right?
First, stop that, Mama, and listen.
Now, we're going to learn how to thread this machine. So you're going to pass here the thread. We pass this here. Then we pass it here. Then after we pass it here like this. Then it comes like this. Then we get this edge. We put it here. Then now we are going to pass it here in the middle, right? You know how to put it there?
In the needle.
Yeah, here there is a hole. So like this.
Okay.
Right?
Nice.
So if I remove it, will you do it?
Maybe you need to show her like 3 other times.
So again, we remove it, right? Now we are going to start. Be attentive, right? Okay, I pass it here like this. I pass it here like this. Then I pass it here like this. Then I get this edge. I pass it here. Then now,
Then you put it in the hole where the needle is.
yes.
Do you know where Elijah is?
No. Yeah, he wants somewhere.
Remember, you're supposed to stay with your brother?
Ah, I found him.
And we press it here. Like this. Then after, we put it in the middle. Like this. And down. This way. Down here there is this. There's this one. Here, you see it?
Here?
Yes. So that's where this one goes. Goes there like this. You touch it, touch here like this. Then you seen this one?
Yes.
There's this one here.
The
So
line?
yeah. So you make sure it is in. Then I do like this. So now it's in. And if you want to get the down thread, you just pull like this. You get this, you pull this, then you rotate like this. So now it's out. See? So now you bring your paper.
This paper.
First, close that thing where the bobbin is.
Close this. It's closed now. Where is the fish paper? Is this one? So make sure we are going to cut in this way, like how you were doing this thing. So here there is a thing to lift. You lift like this.
So when you want to take it out, you pull it.
Yeah. So if you want to put the paper, you put it like this. You put after putting, you let it down. So now stitch it the way you are stitching.
first move the wheel, Mama.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now you lift it.
Oh,
Remove the
Oh, I see the thread. Nice, Mama. Good job. Keep practicing.
remove it like this. Then after you cut the what?
here.
Yes. Then again.
Up. Okay.
Again.
This is not a straight line. Not going this straight. First, I have to push this down.
First wait.